Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Premiere Pro. Now today I will show you how to create a keyframe animation in Premiere Pro. Now as you know, in order to create any type of animation, you will need to use keyframes. Now what are basically keyframes? Let me show you. So let's say we want to animate text right here. We have text right here. And let's just go and let's resize this text like here. Let's center it. Now if you go to text and if you click on text, we can actually position this text left or right, or we can position it top or bottom. Now let's just Control Z just to make this again into the center, and we can basically with keyframes we can basically go and create animation from that text. So for example, if I hit position right here on the toggle bar, I just created one keyframe. Keyframe is basically where that text is right now. Now let's say I want to go a little bit further and I want this text to change the position to completely to the right. What I can do is what basically Premiere Pro will do is it will create another keyframe right here. Now as you can see, this is basically right now two keyframes, and this is basically kind of like animation. So what we can do is we can obviously select them, right click and go to basically temporal interpolation and then continuous Bezier. We can basically go and we can resize those two however we want. For example, we can make them a little bit quicker. So let's go here and let's try this out. As you can see, and this is how basically you can animate with keyframes. Now keyframes, again, as you can see, once I select this, I can basically create a lot of different keyframes like linear, Bezier, auto Bezier. I can ease in, ease out. So let's say ease out. I can basically play this. As you can see, it really smoothens out the keyframe. So this is only one way how you can go and how you can use keyframes to animate in Premiere Pro. Let me show you another way. So let's just unclick or uncheck position and let's click on scale. Now if you click on scale, now it's on 100, right? If we go here and if we make it maybe 10,000, it will completely disappear. So that's because we actually resized the entire text. So as you can see, this is basically how it looks like. So obviously we can again, change this, select this, right click this, make it auto Bezier, for example, and this will, as you can see, make it a little bit better, animation. So this is pretty much in a nutshell how you can create a keyframe animations in Premiere Pro. Obviously this is for beginners, right? But if you want a more advanced tutorials, then check out our channel for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.